It was a boxing match. It felt very much like Keir Starmer sort of like dodging every single punch. And I don't think she was nearly as successful as she thought she was. They seemed ready to fight.
Are we flirting with the possibility that she actually did better last week?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. I didn't agree with the topic last week, but I thought her delivery was better last week. This time I thought her delivery was less good. These guys picked her because she thought she was going to be fantastic at tearing strips off Keir Starmer. So far, I think, the strategy of him sort of rising above it, not getting too angry or frustrated with her and what she's saying worked well last week. Yes. He obviously lost his cool a bit this week.
The curse of many Liberals is that we're far too nice. So don't laugh. I worry if things carry on like this, then, and everyone will get very cross with me if this does happen.
I'm going to say this S word.
I might end up feeling sorry for her.